The Dearborn Heights City Libraries present 5 to 10 crafting series with Eileen and Venus.
Hello, Eileen.
Hi, I'm Miss Venus.
Crafts are for elementary children, but all ages are welcome.
Each month we will be doing a craft video.
Crafts will be available for a limited time for pickup at Dearborn Heights City Libraries and, when possible,
as a download on our website.
Now, let's get crafting.
This month's craft is Santa Christmas chain.
For this project, you will need red and white construction paper, black construction paper, Santa face template, or you could make your own Santa face if you wish, glue, scissors, and string. You can pick up one of these kits at our Dearborn Heights Library for a limited amount of time, or you can do this project at home with materials that you have around the house. Here are the instructions.
As Miss Eileen mentioned, you can do this at home, and here's some things that I'm going to use that I had around my house. Scissors, glue, pipe cleaner, cardstock,
You will need red and white construction paper, black construction paper, Santa face template, or you could make your own Santa face if you wish, glue, scissors, and string. You can pick up one of these kits at our Dearborn Heights Library for a limited amount of time, or you can do this project at home with materials that you have around the house. Here are the instructions. Let's get started. I have all the things we need to do this project here. I'll need glue. Let's get that open. And I have my scissors. My scissors are to cut out the little Santa face. I have printed out for you already. So let's start with that. Now, if you want, you can cut all the way around the little Santa, but it's so much easier just to cut the circle of his face out. And there. There's our Santa face. You're going to need 4 white strips, 3 red strips, 2 black strips, and just for the fun of it, I did cut out a couple little pieces so we can put bottom of his boots on. All right, let's set Santa aside in his little boots, and let's start with putting our Santa together. We're going to start with a white strip. What you're going to do is lay it down, take your glue, and put some glue along one edge. And we're going to make a chain. So it's just turning it and making a circle with that. Very simple. That's our first chain. We're then going to take a red one. We're going to do the same thing, except for this time, we're going to put it through the white loop first, just like that, and bring it around. And we now got the beginning of our first chain. And we are going to go back, add another white one. So it's going to be a white, a red, a white. Just in that order. And we're going to put it inside the red one. Let's glue that together. If you don't have glue, you can tape them. That's fine. So now we have a length of 3. This time we're going to go with the black one. And we're going to put the black one through the white, just continuing with our chain. Oops, let me get a little more glue. Pick it up. Put that together. So now we have a white, a red, a white, and a black. We are going to go with another white one. Put that through. And we just keep building our chain. Then we're going to go with the red one. And if you do this at home, I cut it about, maybe an inch to an inch and a half on these, depending on how wide you want it. These are about an inch and a half wide. Okay. Oh, nope, let's see, what do we have? Nope, we're going to go with the white one. We're going to need another white one. What did I say? We needed 4 white. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yes, we need another white one. That's how you keep track of it. 3 red and 4 white. Okay, so we've got 2 red, 3 white, 2 red, 4 white. I need another red and another black. So the black one goes at one end and the red goes at the other end. So let's go ahead. Let's add the black to this end. And at the other end, we're going to add the red. When you hold it up, it looks just like that. Now, on this top red one, we're going to put our Santa face. So just like that. So let's put some glue. Put Santa's face right there. And we're going to take the tie, bring it up through the top, and tie a little knot up to the top so we can hang it like that. And if you want, so his face stays facing, you can even put a little tiny glue together there or tape. All right, on the bottom, in order to get his feet, let's make sure Santa's facing us. We're gonna put a little glue on the edge of both these feet, on the flat part, that flat edge. And all I did was, this is like a half circle on black. So we're going to put one facing out this way, just like that. The other facing kind of the other way. So now when you hold them up, Santa's got his little boot feet facing out. Now you can take and hang your little Santa chain on your wall, and you have your little Santa chain. So have fun doing that, and stay tuned every month for a new video on crafts. Bye-bye.
And this is what my project looks like. See you next month.
Enjoyed what you saw here? Subscribe to the Dearborn Heights Library channel on YouTube and be notified when there's a new episode.
Did you know that with your Dearborn Heights Library card, you can borrow ebooks, e-audiobooks, stream thousands of hours of music, and even movies? You can download apps for your devices or visit our website on a computer.
Last blurb, we promise. Stay connected with us at dhcl.mishlibrary.org and on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.
Thanks for tuning in.